Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 30th September. And first of all, national news. Popular Front unit planned attack on Jews in Tamil Nadu. Investigators. 17,000 police officials deployed for security amid Durga Puja in Kolkata. Delhi court discharged 10 accused of vandalism in 2020 riots case. Deposit 5.2 crore for damages in protest, Kerala High Court to PFI. India plays an important role as frontline state against terrorism, President Murmu. Nursing colleges running without approval in Madhya Pradesh, court seeks CBI probe. 6 airbags in cars, a must from October 2023. Final plan to fight air pollution in Delhi will come into force from October 1. India drug regulator allows Serum Institute to export its malaria vaccine to UK. And now some international news. 3 Russian cosmonauts returned to Earth after 195 days on space station. Kremlin suspected foreign state involvement in Nord Stream pipeline leaks. Nord Stream gas pipeline leaks, deliberate, reckless sabotage. NATO. Russia to formally annex 4 Ukraine territories tomorrow, Kremlin. Hurricane Ian weakens to tropical storm, US National Hurricane Center. North Korea's missile test was destabilizing, says Kamala Harris. Australia urged immediate release of citizen jailed with Aung San Suu Kyi. US, Japan, South Korea to conduct joint military drills on Friday. India's ties with China built on mutual interest, respect. S. Jaishankar. Apple removed Russian social media network from its App Store amid war. Finance energy sectors on list in US fresh sanctions against Russia. US found monkeypox vaccine highly effective in early data. And now some sports news. PM Modi arrived in Gujarat for opening ceremony of 36th National Games. Legends League cricket final to be played at Savai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur. Korea Open, Cameron Norrie storms into quarters. After 0-7 drubbing by Australia in Commonwealth Games, India training to avoid early goals in World Cup. Neil Kant. IOC released first visual identifier to boost core values of Olympic brand. CCT20 World Cup 2022, Jasprit Bumrah ruled out with stress fracture. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty end in the red to extend losses for 7 straight days. Government lowers borrowing target for 2022-23 marginally. Current account deficit widens to 2.8% of GDP in Q1 of 2022-23 RBI. 220 crore Aadhaar card authentications done in August. Adani Group's firm secure rupees 10,238 crore fund for Ganga Expressway project. India will be pillar of global economic revival, Union Minister Piyush Goyal. UK PM Ledge Trust defended decisive action of mini budget amid turmoil. Jeff Bezos bounced back to 2 on Forbes rich list. Gautam Adani slips to 4. China trials cross-border settlement involving Sinbank. Digital currencies. Now news related to science and technology. Cosmic Flows 4, astronomers assemble largest catalogue of 56,000 galaxy distances. Human-caused climate change will most likely turn trees into gluttons according to a new study published in the journal Nature Communications. Researchers develop algorithm that can help decode brain scans to identify type of epilepsy. Heavy mercury contamination at Maya sites reveals a deep historic legacy. Chinese fish fossils take a bite out of mystery of origin of jaws. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.